Imagine yourself in a Penner walk-in bath, made locally right here in Aurora, Nebraska. Whirlpool baths are known to increase circulation, soothe sore muscles, and improve mobility. The Dream Spa's revolutionary design fits into your existing bath area and comes standard with a waterfall spigot, heated seat and back, handheld shower wand, and a wide swing outdoor. Don't pay $15,000 to $30,000 for paid celebrity-endorsed spas. Call Penner Bathing for upfront pricing. Join thousands of satisfied customers.
We've really appreciated the fact that we knew the price up front, and it has been a godsend. Larry fell in the tub 3 times before, and we're able to bathe safely, avoid home health as long as possible, and I can just take care of him at home, and Penners make it possible.
To learn more or purchase your own Dream Spa, call us at 800-732-0717 or visit PennerBathingSpas.com.